In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Wix. Whether you're a seasoned Wix user or just getting started, adding tags can significantly enhance your site's organization and search engine visibility. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to log into your Wix account and head over to your site's dashboard. This is your main control hub where you can manage various aspects of your website. Once you're situated in the dashboard, the next step is to open the Wix editor. It's here where all the magic happens. Navigate to the exact page you wish to work on. This might be your home page, a blog page, or any other part of your site where tags will be beneficial. Next, direct your attention to the left side of your editor where you'll notice the Pages and Menu icon. Click on it and you'll see a list of pages available. To the right of each page name, there's a More Actions icon, often symbolized by 3 dots. Click this icon next to your desired page and select SEO Basics. This will open up an array of SEO options that Wix provides to help or improve your page's optimization for search engines. Within the SEO settings, you'll now see an option for Advanced SEO. Go ahead and click on this tab. Here, you'll find the option to add a new meta tag by simply clicking on +Add New Tag. Enter your desired meta tag code, which can consist of various types of metadata like descriptions or keywords you want search engines to recognize. Once your new meta tag is entered, don't forget to click Apply to save these changes. Each change you save enhances the metadata, making your site more appealing and easier to search. Moving on, let's incorporate tags in your site's CMS. Open up the CMS within your dashboard or editor. Once again, on the left side, you'll find collections where various data items are stored. Click on your desired collection and look for the Manage Fields option. It's here that you can modify existing fields or create new ones specific to the needs of your site. The next step is to click +Add Field, which will allow us to add a new field specifically for tags. Select the Tags option and give this field an appropriate name, something descriptive, so it's easy to remember what kind of tags you're working with later on. Finally, navigate to Collection Items where you'll see the newly created Tags field. Click into this field and start adding or creating tags. These are incredibly useful for categorizing and managing content efficiently across your site. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add tags in Wix, enhancing both the organization and SEO of your site. Make sure to consistently review and update your tags as necessary to maintain a well-structured and visible site. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring to make the most out of your Wix experience.